right, here we are at the boat show. Fourth or fifth one, I think. I can't remember. But Erickson, these are party barges. So, the big dogs. As you can see in the other video, I don't know, the fourth or fifth one, whatever it may be. But we're cruising. It's the 24th day of January 2025. We're at the, over here at lovely and talented downtown Minneapolis Convention Center. So, as you can tell, they're the big dogs. They have different, some have different layouts, some have tables. Kind of cool. Like the one salesman will answer your question about a trailer. It's like, if you want to know that, I'm sorry. You got to know that when they start looking at something in their price range. You may not like it, but it's a fact. That's like a little lay down area right there. You can hang out, take a nap if you're hungover. Table, playing cards. These are more cruising ones. Anything else. Buy it, company, Lake Minnetonka. Some big dogs here, huh?
Yeah, they are.
Different kinds. Different ways. They have the couch in the back here. So this, like I said, this is more business ones. What do they want for this pig? 145 grand. And probably have to get a trailer. It's a lot of money. You can get inexpensive ones. That sucker. Look at those big yachts. No food or drink. You have to take your shoes off to go in that big boy over there. So, oh my goodness. Back off this bad boy. What do you guys think, huh?
That one?
Yeah.
No headroom.
That looks like.
It would hurt. And I'm not that tall.
You gotta take off the shoes. You gotta take your shoes off, I guess. So I'll take my shoes off. Yeah, it's. Oh, you can go underneath there. Go on. Oh, I see. Mm-hmm. Go down here, shall we? So, oh my goodness. Yeah. I don't know about that. So, huh. Not worth it. Ouch. No. Ill-conceived. I don't get it. To get up here. I don't know. That's that one up there. It must have been on right there. But it's a little much. You can see it's not an easy thing to walk on. This is not. No, I wouldn't buy this thing. If you'd give it to me, I wouldn't buy it.
That is a fool.
All right, I gotta put my shoes back on. What these, my old Skechers, I can slip them on. There you go. Walk over here and look at a few of them.
Yeah, and Tyler likes those too.
Excuse me real quick here.
I think Randy and Tyler use those.
Yep. All different kind of colors and stuff here. Yep. This one is 112. And there you get a trailer. Oh, bad boy. These, like I said, mine just have basic chairs. You go fishing. These are cruisers for 180 grand. Mm. Kind of get an idea of these bad boys right here. Mastercraft. Kind of nice. But you're gonna have this kind of money. Different colors they've got. Yep. X-Star they call these. It's kind of interesting. Competition, it's a ski boat. People are watching. See here. Nice. I don't think. I don't know. That brown is kind of ugly, as far as I'm concerned. Oh my goodness.
It's only $1,900 a month.
Yeah, not cheap. It's $240,000, $1,700 a month. If I had the money, I'd just buy it outright, drive it off.
We do clean it for the
Jesus. Special, 280 grand. No, I'll buy it cash and bring the sucker home. That's what I'll do. That'd be nice. Up here. This is a Florida one again. Maybe your Lake Minnetonka. Kind of all these bad boys. Roboload R230. Just call it an R230. That's all you gotta call them, getting all the other weird crap. Big engine here. Nice big motor. 125,000 they want for that pig. This one is 190. It's the R250. I see. 2 motors in it. Looks like it's probably a cool, I think. Yep, this is when you have time. Sit down in Florida, Clearwater, having the time of your life. Have a cool one right there. Oh. This one over here. The big one. Be careful on these stairs, you're gonna kill yourself. This bad boy. Oh, doesn't want to open up. But let's just look in there real quick. Nope. Anyways, if I have it locked, for people like myself, don't want to get in there. Anyways, cool little boat. I'm gonna get over to here. Regal Chaparral, I guess they're called. Let's go over here. Good.
Little.
Now we're getting into the big dogs, huh? Oh yeah. Bust out another 1,000. You call these boats? Oh my goodness, you guys. Regal SL4. Look at that sucker. 125 grand.
Are we doing a podcast?
No, I'm videotaping for YouTube.
Oh, you're doing it for your channel?
Yes. No. Kind of ruins the video when you get a salesman on. I only had one good salesman one time. That was a RV guy one time. Did a really good job. No, I don't want to interview you on this. No, I don't interview you. Yeah, I some big suckers here. Kind of the same thing. 24 model available clearance pricing. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Yeah, marinas are kind of like, I think here the word is kind of like Burger Kings. They're all over the place. All right, go on down here in this fiasco. That's a nice one right there, but all right.
Really cool, man. I can't imagine.
I'm happy boy. Oh yeah. Well, the party bar's here, so. The big dogs. No one's here on these ones. But anyways, we'll finish this one off, though, and we'll come back here.